to use pure argan oil for hair. You can use pure argan oil as a mask for hair growth by leaving it overnight on your hair. Take a liberal amount of oil in a bowl and warm it. Now, massage the oil into your scalp, hair, and tips. Begin from the hairline and work your way backward, covering the sides. Continue the massage for 15 minutes. Then, wrap your hair with a towel and leave it on overnight, allowing the oil to soak into your hair and scalp thoroughly. Wash your hair in the morning with a regular shampoo. Leaving the hair mask overnight helps your hair absorb all the nutrients in argan oil. It becomes incredibly smooth, soft, and shiny. The powerful antioxidants and nourishing fatty acids in argan oil help keep your hair moistured and protects against styling damage and damage caused by free radicals. This can result in less breakage and shedding. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.